Let's talk about the cost factor when it comes to choosing a credit repair company. It's a big deal because you don't want to end up creating another financial headache for yourself. First off, credit repair shouldn't break the bank. You don't want to hand over your credit card info and get into some pricey subscription unless you're sure the company is the real deal and you've been referred by someone you trust. Why? Well, because you'd be adding another bill to your list, and that's not what you want, right? Here's the deal. Credit repair is something you can tackle yourself with a bit of research, time, patience, and persistence. The issue is that life gets busy. You might have kids, a job, or a million things on your plate, and fixing your credit might not fit into that busy schedule. That's when hiring a credit repair company starts to make sense. Now let's talk dollars and cents. It wouldn't be wise to drop a whopping $500 upfront on an unproven service. Heck, some companies charge as much as $2,000 upfront. And here's the kicker. They can't guarantee specific results. Once you hand over that cash, it's gone, and you might not get the results you hoped for. So, what's the smart move? First, avoid shelling out large upfront sums. Second, be cautious about signing up for payment plans, especially those sneaky contracts. Some companies lock you into a year-long contract that costs a hefty $150 per month for one person. That's not what you want. Instead, aim for affordability and flexibility. You want something that won't drain your wallet but still gets the job done. Ideally, you should be able to cancel without a fuss when you want to. Oh, and steer clear of auto debits. You want to keep control of your money, not hand it over to someone else. So there you have it. When it comes to cost and choosing a credit repair company, remember, keep it affordable, keep it flexible, and keep control of your finances. It's all about making smart choices that work for you, not against you. Learn more at CreditFixGuy.com.